This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Gene Moore. Affordable housing here, so check it out quickly. If you replace the flooring throughout and add a fresh coat of interior paint, this would be ready to move into. Maybe update the light fixtures and window coverings too. This manufactured home has a nice open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and some great flex space off the kitchen and off the living room too. The back deck needs to be removed and the yard needs to be tamed. But it's level and there is plenty of room for gardening, playing and relaxing. There is an attached 2-car garage plus driveway parking. Good sized laundry room off the kitchen. Now the big fixing items appear to be that some siding repairs/replacement will be needed, along with some repair necessary to one of the supports of the front covered porch, plus exterior paint is needed. Seller will not do repairs at this list price. No inspections have been done. Just mentioning what can be seen. Roof less than 10 years old per seller. Hot water heater and dishwasher less than a year old per seller. This is a great opportunity for the right buyers. For more information